Well, now that the flat tire is out of the way, let's try to revisit this guy and get this time clock installed. Used to lift my ear up like this. Unnecessary. Don't look like a fool. Just shove them in there. Shove it in the hole. Well, here we are again. Gonna try to install that irrigation time clock. I think I'm gonna go straight. Last time I got a flat tire, so this time we're gonna beat it. Of course, I'm not gonna cross any medians this time, so you know, we'll rule that out. Maybe I won't see anyone who may need assistance for me to ride through medians. Oh, I've never seen a dune buggy lawn art. That's cool. I should say yard art. There was no lawn. That's a brewery. Okay, we're learning things here. Very good. Oh. Loneliness of the long distance rider. Yep, there's my blue line. I am intersecting. Awesome. I wasn't sure if I'd see it or not. Thought maybe it just said, screw you then. I'm still learning. There's a lot of breweries and wineries around here. Little small mom and pop places. Definitely need to check more of them out. Anything to get the girlfriend on the bike, you know? So, you know, she can taste it. Just let me know. Hey, tank bag. Yeah, I forgot to introduce tank bag. Working out pretty well so far. It's actually a magnetic, for the most part magnetic. And these straps I picked up on Amazon. Hella cheap for like 9 different sizes. Or 3 sizes, 9 different straps. This one it came with. And I might throw some magnets underneath the plastic that's on top of my tank, because that'll help it adhere better, but it doesn't really adhere that well. But I mean, it functions fine. I'm thinking off-road though, it might bounce around towards the bottom, you know. Maybe I can add a seat strap or something. It's already convenient though. I got stuff in it. You know, I got things. Put stuff in and stuff. Hey. You got it?
Yeah, please, thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, I might make fun of him, but you know, I'm one hell of a guy, if I don't say so myself. I didn't have to cross any medians for that one. You never know, you know, sometimes he's got all the tools, but he's never done it. I've done quite a few dirt bike tires. Wasn't man enough to do this one, but probably could have made that one look easy. Have you have you seen the tire repair kits for those things? That'd be so convenient to carry around. They're like this big, you know, like my phone is probably bigger. Little teeny tire irons. They're more like tire plastics. If you forget your tire plastics, you could probably just use your fingers. I don't know. Itching day today. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. Hey, I just made it.
Are you here?
Yeah, I'm in your driveway. Well, here goes the sensor. I don't need this anymore. Nope. Hey! Look how organized I was. Zip tied and everything. Alright. Wi-Fi, those things are a pain in the ass. Another happy customer. Fucking landmines, huh? Get hit by a pine cone. Oh, coming around the corner when she comes. She was coming too. I think it was, what was that, a RAV4 or something? RAV5? I don't know. Now go this way. I don't want my ride to end, but I am hungry. Right now I'm surviving on 2 cups of coffee. And it is 2 o'clock. Just one of those days, you know. And in an hour is my other coffee time. My 3 o'clock cough. That's right. I have a cup of coffee, 3 o'clock. Every day. Clear. Point. All right. Now they got a brewery. Everyone's got a goddamn brewery around here. Well, I'm never gonna leave the house. I'm just gonna brew my own shit. You know?